My name is Urmila Nivangune and today's topic is method calling and method types of written types of method. Today's date is 2nd March 2022. So let's start our topic. Uh, as we all know, there is always one method is present in all the classes of Java. That method is main method. Main method is entry point of every class of Java. Main method get called automatically. We don't need to create object for calling it because main method is always static in Java, and static get called first. We don't need to create object to calling static method. So there are two types of calling method. First one is static method and second one is by creating object or with the help of object. When we write method as a static, then we don't need to create object, and then by using that object uh, we don't need to call that method. Instead of that, we can call that static methods by using class name. And second type is by using object. We can create object inside the main method, and by using that object we can call the methods which are present in our class. So these two are the types of method calling. There are various types of method. First one is static methods. Second one is normal method. For static methods, we don't need to create object, and for normal methods, we have to create object, and that object are created in main method because main method is entry point of every Java class, and we don't need to create object for calling main method. Main method get automatically called when JVM comes into the picture, and when main method get executed, the first line will be object of our class, and by using that object we can call methods and variable which are present in our class. So next topic is written types of methods. We can use many written types to the methods, that are int, float, double, etc. And that return types are nothing but wrapper classes. When we write integer, double, float or string to the return type as a return type to the method, then that method returns that type of data. For example, if we are returning or if we are creating the method with return type integer, then we have to mention that at the end of method return integer type of data. And exactly for the next remaining wrapper classes, there is a special return type, that is void. When we return uh, when we use void data type, then method return nothing. That means method returns null value. uh, and this is very important type of this is very important return type for returning the method. When our method when we don't want to return anything from the method, then we can use return type as a void. For writing method, we have to use access specifiers, then return type, etc. Access specifiers are used to uh, specify the access of method. Access specifiers are following, that is private, public, protected, default, etc. When we write private access specifier, then we can access the methods and variables inside the class only. When we write protected, then we can access the methods in class as well as package, and also outside the package. But in parent child relation, when we don't write any access specifier, then default access specifier is used by default by the JVM. And last one is public. When we write public access specifier, then uh, that data which are present in class is available for all the classes inside the package, outside the package as well. Thank you.